Welcome to Black Box Trading. I am your host, JT, and this is your source for no-nonsense crypto fundamental and technical analysis. We're just going to do a Bitcoin update super quick. I just want to talk about what I'm looking for, what I'm seeing in the charts today. And what I'm seeing is we're still range bound in this relatively distributional trading range here. So most of the price action that I'm seeing in this general range is rather distributional. So I'm going to assume further downside. We also have our momentum indicator that has been red for a while. The red is indicating that, there's not a lot of demand in the market and there's a high probability that we get a downside move. The black box trading bot is currently short. So there's a lot of things that I'm looking at that is pointing me towards this potentially breaking to the downside. But before we get into the downside, I want to talk a little bit about the potential for upside. Now, we're seeing a lot of these very impulsive moves, okay? And a lot of people are getting trapped. Let me know if you are one of those individuals who consistently gets trapped in this market, but, you get this big impulse and then you get a full retrace. Big impulse again over here. And then a full retrace again. Another impulse, not quite as violent, but an impulse nonetheless up here. And are we going to get a full retrace of that impulse? What's happening in the market right now is we don't have a lot of volume. When volume is low, price moves very quickly. Now that might be counterintuitive, and you might be asking yourself, well, if nobody's here and nobody's trading, how is price moving so easily? And it's because of the order books. Now, when you buy Bitcoin, you are buying Bitcoin from somebody and they have a price. If there's not a lot of people selling Bitcoin, the spread between the orders is very far. So when somebody smashes by with big volume, you get a huge move up. But just because you got a huge move up doesn't mean that that's the market giving you the correct price. The market is always right. The market is always going to give you the correct price. So because of that impulse due to the order books being thin, the true market value is down here and the market corrects. So you get an impulse, then it comes back down and corrects. So that's what I'm seeing. Just be careful out there, especially if you're playing with leverage. This is not a very good environment for leverage right now. Keep it in the spot markets, keep it in the accumulation play, go and inscribe some ordinals, go and get some of these tokens that have not seen a bull market yet. And that would be my advice. Now, downside moves, my next kind of support range is down here at around 25K. If we lose that level, I'd be looking at down here at around 20K. Huge psychological support at 20K. If we get a move down to 20K, the whole market is going to be pretty much ready to capitulate. They're going to say that Bitcoin's dead. It's never coming back. The regulators killed it, blah, 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 all the bullshit narratives that don't matter. But you are here and you understand that this is the time. We're in the accumulation phase. The accumulation phase is long. It is drawn out. It has no hype. It has confusing price action. All you need to know, accumulate. It's really that simple. Do what smart money does. Smart money is buying. Smart money is accumulating. Fidelity, BlackRock, all these other institutional players, they're not selling Bitcoin here. So why are you? Don't be an idiot. This is the time to pay attention. This is the time to accumulate. This is the time to get ready for the next price cycle. If you disagree with me, let me know in the comments down below. That is all the time I have for today. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn bell notifications on so that you can keep up to date. I do occasionally have very pressing information that I need to get out to my community. And the best way to stay abreast of that is A, be in the Discord, blackbox.pro, join the community tab, or turn bell notifications on so that you're keeping up to date. Don't forget to like. It really does not only help out the algorithm, but it helps you get those updates. YouTube's been funny. If you're not liking the videos, then they're not going to show you the videos that you don't like. Anyways, that is all the time I have for today. So until next time, please trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.